guys! On this video, we are going to continue making our dressing game on Scratch. So, on my previous video, I already teach you how to make the menu of the game, the main character out of 4 sprites, and selection bar on the left, out of the starter project. So if you want to start a project, the link is in the description of this video. So on this video, we are going to finish the selection bar on the right and the finishing sprite, okay? Let's get started. So we are going to start with the selection bar on the right. First of all, go to the selection bar 2. Go to events, add a when I receive start, and then add a hide block. And then when I receive play, it will go to X 206 and Y 0. Also show. And then add a forever block. Add an if then block. Go to operators and equal block. If backdrop number equals 2, add another if add an end block, if touching mouse pointer, add another end, now add a larger, if mouse Y is larger than mouse Y is larger than 100 but it's less than 200, it will set arrow to on. Set arrow to on. And then it will broadcast hats. And then it will wait until add an OR block, wait until not touching mouse pointer, and then add another not, duplicate this one, put it here. Okay, and then go to variables again, add a set arrow to off, like that. So we are going to make more codes like this. Okay, duplicate this code, put it down here. So if mouse Y is larger than -30 and is less than 40, it will set arrow to on and broadcast glasses. Also turn this one into -30, this one into 40. Okay, and then duplicate this code again, turn this one into -200 and it's less than -80, and it will broadcast shoes. Also this one, okay. After that, go to the arrow sprite. Now duplicate this one, duplicate this code. When I receive hats, it will point in direction -90, and then it will go to Y100, and then probably X172, and then duplicate this one. When I receive glasses, still the same, but the Y is going to be -15. Duplicate it once, switch when I receive shoes, it will go to y minus 138 like that. Okay, after that we'll go to the selection bar right, and then add when I receive start, it will hide, and it will also go to back layer. Now add when I receive play, it will go to x 206 and y 0. Also it will show like that. Go to events. When I receive hats, it will switch costume into hats, and then it will glide 0.5 seconds to x 133, and then wait until mouse y is less than 100. I mean mouse x, sorry. And then add a glide block, glide 0.5 seconds to x 206. Duplicate this code. When I receive glasses, switch costume into glasses. Also the same, just going to change the costume and the message. When I receive this one, switch it into shoes, and costume is going to be switched into shoes, like that. Let's just test it first. Click on the green flag. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now go to events, add a when this sprite is clicked block, add an if block. Just stop the project first. If costume number equals 1, and then add another if. Go to operators, add an AND block. If mouse is down, add an AND block again, and mouse y is larger than 100. Mouse y is larger than 100, and mouse y is less than 200. It's less than 200. Don't forget to add a mouse y block, and then make a new variable, and it's called hats. That will set hats to none. Duplicate this code, and then if mouse y is larger than 0 and less than 80, it will set hats to bear. Duplicate this code again, switch this into larger than -70. This one is less than 0. That will set hats into cool. And this one -200 and less than -80, and it will set hat into girl. Okay, and then duplicate this code. If costume number equals 2, and then make a new variable, and it's called glasses. Okay, and then set glasses into known. Make sure the variable is glasses, and then you totally want to delete this code in the bottom, and then switch classes into known, switch classes into stars, and this one into hearts, like that. Okay, and then duplicate this code again. If costume number equals 3, make a new variable and it's called shoes. Okay, make sure all the variable is shoes. And then don't forget to add another code and just duplicate this one. If mouse y is larger than minus 70 and less than 0, it will set shoes into red. Green. This one is red and this one is black. Okay, and then in the bottom add a glide 0.5 seconds to x 206 and y 0. Now go to hats. We're going to start with the hats, and then add when I receive hats, start, it will hide. And then add a show block. When I receive play, it will go to x2 and y 124. Also, it will set hats into 0. Okay, and then add another when I receive play block, add a forever block, and then if costume number equals, the variable hats equal known, it will switch costume into known. Duplicate this. If hats equals bear, it will switch costume into bear hat. Now duplicate all of this again. If hats equals cool and hats equals girl, switch costume into cool hat. This one into girl hat. Sorry, I guess my English is very bad. Okay, test it. I'm just going to hide the variables first. Click on the green flag, play, and then hats. I'm going to choose the cool hat, and it works. Okay, after that we are going to work with the classes, but before that, go to looks again and don't forget to add a switch costume into known, and then go to glasses. Now we are going to do the same thing like with the glasses, just like the hats. Okay, when I receive start, it will hide, and then add a show block. When I receive play, it will show, but before that it will go to x0 and y 122, and then it will also set glasses into 0. It will also switch costume into known. Add another play block. When I receive play, add a forever block again. If then block. If the fire glasses equals known, it will switch costume into known. And then if glasses equals stars, and then it will switch costume into stars. Okay, put it in here. Okay, duplicate this one again. If glasses equals hearts, I will switch costume into hearts. Okay, and then go to shoes. Okay, and then we already coded this one before in the previous part of this video. Also, don't forget to add a switch set shoes into 0. Now the only thing we need to do is that when I receive play, add a forever block, add an if then block, and if shoes equals red, if shoes equals red, it will switch costume into red shoes. Okay, and then if shoes equals known, that will switch costume into known. Duplicate this. If shoes equals green, that will switch costume into green shoes. And if shoes equals black, that will switch costume to black shoes. Okay, before that, save the project first and then let's test it. Play. Okay, gender still boy. I'm going to choose music. The pants is going to be black. Hat's probably cowboy hat, the cool hat. The glasses is going to be star, and the shoes is going to be red. Okay, and then go to the finishing button sprite, and then probably when I receive start, I will hide, and then add a show block, and when I receive play, it will go to x6 and y minus 162. Okay, and then add a forever block. Don't forget to add a set size block. Okay, set size into 65. Okay, oh wait, don't forget to add it here, and then add an if then else block. So if it's touching mouse pointer, it will set size into 75, and then if it's else, it will switch costume into 65. Now go to events again. When the sprite is clicked, it will broadcast finish, and then it will hide. It will also switch backdrop into known. Backdrop, not switch costume, switch backdrop. Switch backdrop into known. And then hide, and then don't forget to add a start sound tada block. Okay, and then add a when I receive finish. When I receive finish, it will hide. Now duplicate it to over here in the selection bar right, selection bar 1, arrow, selection bar left, and selection bar 1. Okay, and then go to the ending sprite, and then add a hide block, also add a show block, and then when I receive start, it will hide, but when I receive finish, it will show. But before that, it will go to x0 and y0, also go to back layer. It will also set ghost effect into 25. also before that point in direction 90, and then at a forever block it will turn right 1 degrees. Okay, save now first, and then press the green flag again. Let's test it, this time in full screen. Play. The shirt is gonna be green. I'm going to choose green, or maybe music, or maybe pink. And then this one, gender girl. Hats, this hat. Glasses, hard glasses, and shoes gonna be green. And then press the finish button, and there we go. We have a dressing game on Scratch. So I guess this is the end of this video. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. The project link is in the description of this video. If you want to remix it, remix is allowed. The starter project is also in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.